Cameraman, and today we're going to film a bowl made of wood.
Do you remember what kind of wood it is?
Well, timber wood.
Tamarack, yep.
Yeah, I don't remember that part.
That's okay. So,
Normally, Mom thinks I should try teaching you, but my dad does this all the time, so, and I'm not him, so I'm just gonna show you that if I was like him, I'd try that.
okay.
And I'll just get one.
Yep. So remember, you're going to hold this part kind of up on this tool. Yep, like this, and pull it back like that, and then stop. Okay? All right, hit the green button. We always start with the tool away. Okay, start at the circle on the inside. Good job, Brock. I'm going to pause you so I can roll up or move up your tool rest. All right, we're unpaused and ready to rock.
And so I'm going to make me carve on this side. Then I'll try doing the circle.
Yeah. Make sure your one hand is close to it so it has steady. Yeah, good. And pull it toward your body. Yeah. Good job. You can even pull it a little slower so it cuts more. Start at the circle. Good. Okay, kind of push it into the wood. It's like sharpening a pencil. There you go. Hey, nice work, Brock. Good. Take it in toward the center and do that again. I like how you're really focused, Brock. I can see your eyes are looking and you're putting a lot of good hard work into it. Good job. Yep, it jiggles in the middle, doesn't it? Yep, you can stop right there because that's going to be so this will be the edge of your bowl right here. So we don't want to carve that part out. We want to carve just the middle so we get a scoop in your bowl.
Okay.
Good job, bud. Yep, and then you stop right there on the edge. Come back to the middle. Good. Since this is Brock's first bowl, we have the lathe at a very slow speed. Normally we'd want to make it turn faster so that his cuts would be smoother, but being that he's only made a vase on the lathe before, this is his first try at a bowl, I thought we'd go nice and slow, take it easy. Brock, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Do you feel proud when you make things on the lathe? A little? So Brock, remember you're going to move your one hand a little closer just to stabilize. There you go. Good. Then it won't wiggle so much for you. All right, we'll keep working on it and we can post a picture of his finished bowl in the comments. Do you want to tell your subscribers and viewers anything else about the wood turning lathe?
Oh, I guess there's a whole black pepper thing.
Should we turn it off so you can show them what it's starting to look like?
Okay, so here are some straight lines around here,
The wood grain.
the grain. Then there's a few straight lines and curves around here.
What did we have to do to the big crack? Should we show them the big cracks in your end grain here? What did we have to do for these big cracks?
Oh yeah, I need a bit of those glue.
Yeah, we put some special quick drying glue in it. And what are you wearing to keep yourself safe today?
A face shield.
Yeah, it flips up, doesn't it? Good. It's always important to be safe by the lathe. Anything else your viewers need to know about this cool project?
Well, if you go over there, there's a bunch of bolts that I made in my mom. I mean, like my dad and my mom made.
Yeah. Should we show them what one of them looks like? Which one do you like the most?
Well,
So these are all roughed out bowls waiting to be finished.
there's this one that looks a little bit yellow.
Yep, that's a pine gall.
Yeah, pine gall. And there's this one with a few of the bark, and it's all pine gone.
Yep, that's also a pine gall.
Also, a vase here.
Oh, yeah, that's a box elder vase. So we have a bunch of different kinds of wood. We have some walnut, a lot of birch, some box elder.
There is a bit of this one, which
Yeah.
I'm going to include as my favorite.
You like that one as one of your favorites? This is the one that Mom made a couple days ago. Another tamarack. You can see all the sap adds color into that cool bowl. They'll dry, and when they get dry, we'll finish them out, right? So when your bowl dries, we'll finish it out and post a picture in the comments.
Yeah.
Sound good? You want to sign off?
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I will also yeah. We'll try posting a picture of it in the comments, and you comment by seeing how good it looks in the comments, and then we'll see you later.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.